The 2027 Mazda CX-30 could be getting a refresh. And honestly, this might be proof that a redesign doesn't need to change everything to make a car look noticeably better. Just look at it. At first glance, this still looks unmistakably like a CX-30. Same compact crossover proportions, same curved roofline, same sculpted body, same clean premium Mazda personality. But the closer you look, the more you start noticing what changed. And somehow, these relatively small updates make the entire vehicle feel newer, sharper, and more expensive. Up front, the familiar Mazda grille remains, but it now looks wider and more upright, giving the CX-30 a stronger presence on the road. The headlights have also been slimmed down, creating a more focused expression without making the front end look overly complicated. Then you get those vertical daytime running lights positioned near the outer corners of the bumper. It's a small detail, but it completely changes the attitude of the car. The current CX-30 already looks stylish, but this version appears more confident, almost like a smaller, sportier CX-50 designed for city streets, and that is exactly what makes this redesign work. Mazda didn't throw away the original shape, it simply cleaned it up. From the side, the profile remains familiar, with that flowing roofline and raised crossover stance, but the body surfaces look slightly smoother. The lower trim appears more refined, and the redesigned wheels give it a more upscale appearance. Even the plastic cladding seems better integrated into the overall design, instead of looking like it was added afterward. Nothing here is dramatic, and that's the point. This isn't Mazda trying to shock everyone with a completely different CX-30. It's Mazda taking a design that already works and carefully improving the details. Then we get to the rear. The updated LED taillights keep Mazda's signature circular lighting elements, but the sharper internal graphics make them look much more modern. The black trim running between the lights adds visual width, while the cleaner tailgate and reshaped lower bumper give the rear a more planted appearance. And yes, this concept even keeps the dual exhaust outlets. Whether those remain on every production version is another question, but they definitely add some personality to the design. Mazda has not released any official engine specifications for a possible 2027 CX-30. Realistically, the powertrain options could remain similar to the current model, possibly with updated versions of Mazda's existing naturally aspirated and turbocharged engines. And honestly, that would make sense. The CX-30 doesn't necessarily need a completely new mechanical formula. It just needs to remain comfortable, responsive, efficient, and slightly more enjoyable to drive than the average compact crossover. That has always been one of Mazda's biggest strengths. If this concept is close to the production vehicle, the 2027 Mazda CX-30 could become one of those redesigns that initially looks almost unchanged, but becomes noticeably better every time you look at it. Sharper front end, cleaner rear styling, more modern lighting, better integrated details. Mazda didn't reinvent the CX-30, it simply made a good-looking crossover look even better. And honestly, sometimes the smallest redesigns are the smartest ones.